OKLO is betting big on microreactors, aiming to revolutionize clean energy with compact nuclear tech. Could this be the future of power? Let's explore, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge energy and tech updates. As the world searches urgently for clean, reliable, and scalable energy solutions, nuclear power is witnessing a renaissance of innovation. At the forefront of this evolution is OKLO Inc., a California-based startup pioneering the development of microreactors. Compact, advanced nuclear reactors designed to provide decentralized, low-carbon power. OKLO's ambitious project, the OKLO MicroReactor, has garnered significant attention from investors, energy companies, and regulators alike, positioning the company as a potential game-changer in the nuclear energy sector. The microreactor revolution: compact, safe, and efficient. Traditional nuclear reactors are large, complex, and expensive facilities requiring massive upfront investments, extensive regulatory hurdles, and long construction timelines. OKLO's microreactor concept challenges these limitations by designing a reactor that is small, factory-built, and transportable. The OKLO MicroReactor is expected to generate roughly 1.5 megawatts of electrical power, enough to serve small communities, remote military bases, industrial facilities, or data centers that require reliable off-grid energy. One of the key innovations behind OKLO's design is its use of a fast neutron reactor technology paired with heat pipe cooling, a passive safety system that does not rely on pumps or active controls to remove heat. This means the reactor can cool itself safely in any emergency scenario, dramatically reducing the risk of meltdowns or radiation leaks that have historically caused public concern. The system is also designed to run on recycled nuclear fuel, promoting sustainability by reducing nuclear waste. This inherent safety and compactness make Aurora attractive for applications where traditional large reactors are impractical. Moreover, the reactor's modular construction allows OKLO to manufacture them at scale, reducing costs and accelerating deployment timelines. Market potential and strategic partnerships. OKLO's business model focuses on selling power generated from these microreactors, rather than the reactors themselves. This energy-as-a-service approach appeals especially to clients needing reliable, carbon-free power in remote or off-grid locations where traditional infrastructure is costly or unavailable. Demand is growing rapidly, as reflected by OKLO's pipeline of over 250 megawatts of potential microreactor capacity, a nearly 100% increase from its previous projections. Key partnerships include energy companies like Diamondback Energy, which plans to use Aurora reactors for oilfield electrification, and Wyoming Hyperscale, a data center operator seeking resilient, low-carbon power sources. Data centers are an especially promising market, given their enormous and continuous electricity needs. Traditional grids often struggle to provide uninterrupted power, leading companies to seek alternative solutions. OKLO's reactors could provide reliable baseload power without carbon emissions, addressing both sustainability goals and operational reliability. Navigating regulatory and technical hurdles. Despite its promise, OKLO faces substantial regulatory challenges. The U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, initially denied OKLO's license application in 2022, citing the need for more detailed safety and environmental information. However, the company has since made progress by addressing these concerns, submitting revised data, and engaging proactively with regulators. Regulatory approval remains one of the biggest bottlenecks for commercial deployment of microreactors. OKLO benefits from a favorable policy environment under the Biden administration, which has prioritized clean energy and nuclear innovation through executive orders aimed at streamlining reactor licensing processes. The Department of Energy also provides technical and financial support for advanced nuclear technologies. Successfully navigating this complex regulatory landscape will be crucial for OKLO's timeline and market entry. The company's ability to meet safety standards without sacrificing cost efficiency could set a new precedent for how nuclear power is regulated in the 21st century. Financial backing and market confidence. Financially, OKLO has made strong strides. In 2023, the company went public via a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, raising significant capital to advance its projects. This move has not only increased funding, but also boosted market visibility. Investor confidence surged following President Biden's executive orders promoting nuclear energy, which positively impacted OKLO's stock performance. Market analysts highlight OKLO's unique reactor technology, lean business model, and growing project pipeline as key competitive advantages that could generate strong returns. Moreover, as concerns over climate change and energy security intensify globally, OKLO's microreactors are well-positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for clean, reliable, and distributed energy solutions. The broader impact: a new paradigm for nuclear energy? OKLO's work is part of a broader movement towards small modular reactors, SMRs, and microreactors that could revolutionize nuclear power. Unlike legacy reactors, these new designs emphasize flexibility, safety, and cost-effectiveness. By manufacturing reactors in factories and shipping them to sites, companies like OKLO could reduce construction times from decades to a few years. If successful, microreactors could be deployed in a wide range of settings, from remote indigenous communities lacking grid access, to military bases needing secure power, to industrial operations seeking zero-carbon energy. This could help democratize nuclear energy, making it accessible on a smaller scale and reducing dependence on large centralized grids. However, challenges remain, including competition from renewables plus storage, public perception of nuclear safety, and the need for robust waste management strategies. OKLO's ability to address these concerns while maintaining cost and operational advantages will be critical. A promising but challenging road ahead. OKLO's Aurora microreactor represents an exciting leap forward in nuclear technology, combining advanced safety features, innovative reactor physics, and a disruptive business model. The company's focus on small-scale, off-grid power solutions meets a clear market need, particularly in an era defined by climate urgency and energy transition. As OKLO navigates its path from startup to commercial deployment, the world watches closely. If successful, this nuclear bet could redefine energy generation for decades, contributing significantly to global decarbonization efforts while providing resilient power where it's needed most. If you want, I can also provide detailed financial data, competitor comparisons, or technical insights on how microreactors stack up against other clean energy solutions. Would you like me to add those? What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.